Hold up. This ain't just any R8. Oh, yeah. R8 GT, one of 333. What's up, man? Oh. Alright, so when you pull out, I'm gonna have you probably like at least like stop the car like right here. To where the front tire is. Yeah, to where, cause there's like a nice little puddle right here. So I'm gonna get a nice little. Yeah, I'm about to. You know how I do, right? Yeah, I got you. Go ahead. Keep going, keep going. Right there. Perfect. This shot right here. Bro, this shot right here. One second. I gotta fix this temperature. Oh yeah, right there. Woo-wee. Yeah.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Oh god.
You see what I'm saying, bro? Like,
bro, that's nasty.
yeah. I'm gonna do one more. Try to get a little bit more of this wall in there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Money shot right there. Woo. I bet you good.
You wanna hop in?
Sure.
Alright.
Or you just going around, right? Where you going around to the front? Yeah, I'll take some pictures while it's moving. I'm about to try something. Hopefully it goes as planned. Probably have him park right here, cause I want the Audi in the background. I ain't did a landscape picture in a minute.
Oh my god, I'm back here hard as hell too. Hold on, don't sleep on me now. Oh
Okay.
shit. Come on.
Okay.
Wait for it. Oh!
Okay. I'm about to have you as my assistant. What's up, bro? Aladdin, man. Nice to meet you. I swear nothing beats these rainy day shoots, man. Nothing. There's a car in the way. I need this to be more compressed. A little bit too much going on in the background, but it's all good. Help showcase the dealership a little bit. Hell yeah. Do a straight side profile. Line up in the middle.
Part of me wants to like pull it into our shop and even get like a shop picture of it. Or
Yeah.
a shop picture.
Yeah.
That shit'll look pretty dope.
Yeah, because even the lights and just like the garage vibe type shit would look really cool with it. So I'd be down for that. Alright. So I got a little idea. I want to kind of give a little bit more of a fall vibe. We're going to scatter some of these like leaves all around it like this. Try to make it look a little more natural, you feel me? Gotta make it look natural.
Yeah. So it's not like single file.
Yeah. Boom. Now this may look stupid on the outside,
Oh no.
but on the inside,
It's gonna be real good.
mind you.
Fall vibe,
Yeah, it
bro.
don't even look like we put that many leaves up there. Gotta love the leaves, man. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I found the caps. What are the caps? Where'd you find the caps?
Oh, I don't know. I guess it was. Parts? Yeah, bro.
But yeah, whenever you're ready to do like whatever, just
Alright,
take
bet.
it.
Alright, bet. Let's do it.
Yo, I just want to say congratulations to my homie Trey for buying the art.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
you
one
know,
day, bro. One
and
day.
look, bro, all I can say is, bro, just work hard.
No,
You know,
facts.
wake up every day, you know.
Facts.
It's really not.
That's what I was looking for.
Yeah, that's just
I've been looking for that. Ooh. Bruh.
Sorry.
No, you good, man. You good. Oh, yep, this right here is what I'm looking for. Yes. Money shot number 2, baby. Oh yeah, right here. Right here, right here, right here. Oh yeah. One more, one more. Oh, come on. Yeah, I can make do with that. Oof. Yeah. Or instead of having it straight in the middle, angle it like this for me in the middle. Yeah, if you can, just real quick. Yeah. A little bit more. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh yeah, perfect.
That's a good shot.
Yeah.
The camera on. They didn't let me drive it. We're just gonna keep the camera on him to make.
What is happening? I just came to take some pictures. No, I'm just- yeah, facts. Yeah, this angle right here, bro.
It's funny though, cause like everybody's wondering like, all right, what the fuck is going on? But at the same time, they're like, fuck it.
Fuck it, man. This is content.
Yeah, bro. Huh? I know. I know.
Right here, y'all. Look, when I tell y'all you don't need too much to get crazy pictures, y'all see this is literally just the road right behind the dealership. Go a little faster. Bet. Spin back around. So same thing, just drive down slowly and I'm gonna have you stop about where that sewer thing is. And then I'm gonna get those front shots right here. And then,
in the middle?
yeah.
All right.
If I slip, I'm gonna cry. That's good right there. Oh shit, no, hold on. I wish that sticker wasn't on there though. Ooh. Nah, this a money shot right here, bruh. I don't care what anybody says. He turned the wheel. Clutch. I'm trying to... Turn it the other way. I'm trying to get some shots where the sticker ain't showing. Yeah. Woo. Slippery when wet. Hell yeah. You should just do a burnout right here, just one time.
That looks fucking crazy.
I told you, bro. I saw it from a mile away.
Bro, that looks fucking crazy.
Bro, if we could get one.
Oh, you gonna put like down, like right in the middle?
Yeah, I'm
like,
trying to see how I could do it without any cars in the way type shit. Like, oh, even if we could put it in that square right here. But those two cars, bro. Like this spot right here is literally perfect, bro. Go forward a little bit. I'm trying to get it in a way that the sticker's not gonna show.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so park it with the front kind of facing like this almost. So pretty much how you are, but this way. Yeah, my fault, my fault. Stickers in the way. I need that sticker going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is a money shot right here. Roll your window up. I gotta freak. These cars are in the way. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. I don't want to keep this car running for too much longer. Alright, bet. Oh. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, right there. Let me hop out and try to line you up, make sure you set. And I think here is probably where I'll do some interior stuff too. Try to get like the steering wheel, maybe move that cardboard. Come just a tiny smidge this way, just a little bit. No, straight, yeah. Okay, that works too. Oh yeah, perfect. Wait till homie get out the way.
How's it going, boss?